gonna go to Dubai.
So, naglalakad lang kami ngayon. Punta kami sa Burj Khalifa. So, we're gonna try the slide. Sobrang excited ko. And I'm with my brother and Tito Jay. My uncle. So, let's go. We're here in Dubai. Guys, say hi to the mic.
Hi. Hi.
We're going to Skyview today, so it's very exciting. Wait. So hi guys, medyo haggard na ako kasi ewan ko ba. So anyway, so nandito kasi ako ngayon sa Skyview and sa Gas. Pakita ko sa inyo yung view. Hi guys, we're currently at Dubai Mall right now.
But it's still hot. Is it that mayonnaise?
Cheese!
Cheese?
Yeah, come here.
Which one? They're like, yeah, cheese.
Going to get my SIM card para bukas.
So we just went to Kidzania with Nico. Ayan siya, magde-deliver ng parcel. That's his first task. And actually, ang dami na nangyari niyan, kaya lang hindi na ako nakapag-film. So, nag-included siya and mechanic. And after niyan, bawal yung ate. Bawal yung may companion. So, I let him be nagamit yung camera ko. By the way, I think he's a pilot here.
Pilot. 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 What? Pilot.
You're gonna fly a plane again. Oh. Wow.
Google.
What?
Your camera.
I'm done.
So, I'm currently here at Dubai Mall. Grabe. Sobrang ganda, guys. This is Dubai Mall, everyone. Sobrang ganda niya. Look at this. Hi guys, we're currently at SeaWorld and sobrang ganda dito. Wala pa lang. Nasa entrance pa lang kami. And we might have an encounter with the penguins today. Excited na kami!
We're gonna look at the fish and then we're gonna see the penguin and the roller coaster.
Alright? For everyone. We can start now the first photo with the mermaid. You ready? Yeah! Alright, come girls, go. The time for the photo with the mermaid. Let's go. It's time to photo. You can come guys, join us. Hi Baba, hi Mama, keep smiling.
Ganda ng Nico! Ay, sige. Is it okay? We're going to... Where are we going, Nico?
Right there, dito daw.
Yeah, we're going to ride the virtual. Do you want me to help you?
So, ito na yung pinakinaabangan ko sa lahat kasi favorite ko yung mga penguins. Favorite! Pero sobrang saya ko yan kasi nakakita ko yung penguin in real life. Saka hindi lang yun, naka-encounter din talaga ng as in, ang lapit guys. So, ang cute nito. Oh, sim-sim lang siya. Tapos ito na, para bang may meeting sila. Di ba ito po, lumalapit pa yung isang cute. Sobra.